Welcome everyone from English Boost Motivation. Today we are talking about something that can quietly change everything. In just a few seconds, people decide how they see you. In just a few seconds, someone decides, can I trust this person? Do I like this person? Do I respect this person? Do I want to work with this person? You don't get 10 chances. You don't get 5 minutes. Research shows that people form a first impression in 7 to 30 seconds. That means before you even finish your first sentence, someone has already created a picture of you in their mind. Now imagine this. You walk into a job interview. You meet a future business partner. You meet someone you admire. You meet someone who could change your career. You meet someone who could become your life partner. And in just a few seconds, you either create opportunity or you lose it. This video is important because first impressions are silent opportunities. You can impress people even in 10 seconds if you understand what truly matters. Not fake confidence, not showing off, not speaking big words, but small, powerful behaviors that send strong signals to the human brain. Today, I will show you exactly how, and if you understand these deeply, not just listen, but apply, you will notice
people start reacting differently to you. More respect, more attention, more opportunities. And as you watch this video, you're not only learning how to impress people, you're also improving your English. By listening carefully, you train your ears, learn natural expressions, and build confidence in understanding real spoken English. If you want to grow your personality and your English at the same time, make sure to subscribe. I upload powerful videos regularly to help you speak better, think smarter, and become more confident in every area of life. Tip 1. Smile. The simplest but most powerful signal. A smile is not just a facial expression. It is a psychological trigger. When you smile genuinely, the other person's brain immediately relaxes. Why? Because the human brain is always scanning for danger. Every new person is a question mark to the brain. Is this person safe? Is this person aggressive? Is this person judging me? When you compete, and that lowers tension instantly. But listen carefully, a fake smile does not work. People are smarter than you think. The brain can detect micro-expressions, very small movements in the eyes and mouth. A real smile softens the eyes, slightly lifts the cheeks, feels relaxed. A fake smile is tight, forced, only in the mouth. Now, let me give you a simple example. Imagine two people enter a meeting room. Person A walks in serious, face tight, no expression. Person B walks in calm, relaxed, gives a small natural smile, and says, "Nice to meet you." Who feels easier to talk to? Who feels more confident? Who feels more emotionally intelligent? It's person B. And here's something powerful. When you smile, your brain releases chemicals like dopamine and serotonin. These chemicals improve your mood. That means smiling doesn't just change how others see you, it changes how you feel. So smiling is not weakness, it is quiet strength. Before entering any meeting, take one deep breath, relax your face, and smile naturally. That alone can change the entire energy. Tip 2. Body language. Speak without speaking. Before you say a single word, your body has already spoken. Body language creates up to 55% of your first impression. That means more than half of what people judge is not your words. It is your posture, movements, and gestures. Let's